Shira, Saturday, you know, my idea.
Meda wase ena no pay so se waye madum no mama kwanya se me metena se no mankasa owura Yesu Kristo mini asem ko na wasem me so se me fa me mu ne kasa kire wo ma Jesus Christ be ma me nim die ni nyansa ye di kasa kire ni pa ma ne to na koma kono so Jesus Christ me fa me mu ne di nkonim ene de so me da wase se waye wadum no ti amen. Order for me ma wa kwaba ene de so onyame hira sa wo ha na me ma ni nyina happy Father's Day me ma obibia happy Father's Day me ma obibia happy Father's Day ene de ntia ma hye blue wo soro blue ni mema you see how you shine, you see how you glow. This is you man. It's our we have light blue and dark one right here. Now the pink I put you me tipo hono or your back. My shirt skirt a pink. It's just a ma mema say. Okay? And ma you're wearing pink. Two share mema no share pink. Until every time I wish you or back wow. Now the decoration in a pink and it is all bar. So what you say? Until me a man share from a just a mash and mermancy. Okay? Na blue ne was from na blue and white e match o hwe sky cry wi mu a blue and white. Okay, na me white afra na me pe blue flowers me nya blue me feature o so pink and white nko a o hwe me feature ho a jai na flowers na nya se so ko e hwe man kasa ti makututwa bi kama na me dia shade ti mama mo pink and white no me the mama because blue and white don't match together. And I'm big pink account. Into flowers here, mama no more dear. Okay? And I wish you guys happy Father's Day. Me know baby didn't come up. Father's Day, of course, a lot of people they care less. They don't care. So what I say? Nini say, you wait for me, please. And Nina say, ne papa bi ahwehwe no. So what you say? Nina say, bema wode ne wo ye kora wo hu ne kira kwan. Wanhwe no ogya mma na bo no soko. Ti die du Father's Day kora de ono kora de chese. Wo hia no na wo ka bibi kora hwe a wo bekeka bi acha wo because of the obi e de aye no. Na enne me pese ye nyina ye ti ase. Ye wo Nyankopon a oye mogohunufo. Adom ni adoye ahye ne ma. Mogrohunu ashenema ye nipa ye fuma urade every day ye fuma urade. In fact boni ane ye timu no na ye mfata nse se onyame krade ye boni chaye ni etimi boni di. So what you say? But onyankopon eye humobu onyankopon wono na wo chi boni ne so wosan ye boni aduro ye boni nyina echi onyame hu ye mobo ekopeda ye nsa erade hu ye mobo. And wo say se onfa unia bone anche no ono so usoro eja so emfa wo so de enche ena wo so ye Kristo ni ena be ma bia ye ofrakadam hwe se wo bua se de wo sie bua fa so no enye kom. So what you say wo se se ka ebua ne kumfo ba wo so wo refi se wo so bone bia wo ye ni wiase no na ka wo se ye bua kumfo ba Yesu Kristo di acha. And was one for near Bonnie and Chow, Ancha no, Osre Johnson for also the Ancho. So what I say? And until Sawoka said, me papa and Jamie, Bevan me woo ya one Jamie, and to one deserve class of Father's Day, the man be friend one. Na sister, also born in no dear, when you know who she has said now, on Fancho. So what I say? Who should one now when you may want for also the nincho? I will told your mensem. So what I say? Ye, so who more difficult you come away and come my own. At the south of flower and my menam. So what I say? No be a papa na sum abo fraketo mini Levi nam no be a son ni will be a son muna sum papa no wa kwala na to watch. any constant Levi do me castle so no kokunto kwa wabra me wo. So what you say? Wobetena se ahwe nipa kra ma me my action. Ba ya na ye pese ye kokunto kwa na ni gya nyame wo because ne honya den onim ntokwa ko. In fact onim asem ka. Ono so se wo asem ka onka bi ma. Se wo ntokwa ko onku bi ma nti sister wo how ne say. Bra we are support ne say nti ne Father's Day ba wo se wo papa ne deserve so ye father na me busa wo anya bia ya no bi ka se wo bi anhwe no a wa anhwe me no a mu bi ya na menti ase before wo no wo beba wiase no eye hwen ne perform wo ye ma wo ba wiase sa wo papa 2 minutes no wo de to ne pa e ma wo be ye nipa no se ye ka se tua ho ka mi busa wo. Can you pay for it? Sir, within such short time period. See a kasi tia ho ka. Mi busa wo. Sa energy me free ni mu sa tam me koye. See a catch ya two jina was okay. Yate whatever your father did is wrong. You could go and come for name. Sa short period na no ma me die hia mu na wo be ye nipa no. Tua kama no na afa wo wi a yenko bua ne kumfo ni busa o se sa aka no betuma tua ni busa nipa bi asembi obi kokko ahuhuru a wanhwe wo nyane papa kro bembo na so obi kokko ahuhuru a wanhwe ye na ne mane nim na wo mo fon no petiri ko fra wo mo papa Father's Day a wanhwe obeka che wo mo se ne nufusi wo no yo mfa na de ma ni nyina ne se papa ne yekohwini o to me jina ne mane nim e ka kire ne mane se o mo papa sem previous wo ye kwase ampani. You're kidding, right? You're kidding. Nti akola bi wo a the way ane ma me si kasa ne papa ho ene nsam o kasa gu papa no so no so bie na no a no bem nso wa mo man nso wo chiche no mi abra wo man so me kira wa de kronti abrochire nkola de bi kum wo mo ho bebre ne me kira wa de di ntiam nkola na ekum wo mo ibi sha konfo ibi kum wo mo ibi life aye basa ibi aye addicted to drugs ibi aye gays and lesbians me kira wa de kronti a se wo bobra na wo yi papa free mo brother sister enkoyi ma sa o wow. Mami to me kasa say ya o se mam dome wo nyi papa fra wo se bra se o de nza to so se mayi no me na to ache o mami atmo kan nya adwuma because God himself or respective leadership ti mami wo de opa akotena nkwantana so na dwa wo ho naked na dome wo ba do fitia no pako menimre wo kunu di 1 minute mayi no me na fi wo ba no because we're ahead. By mammy phone, Mumbi, Pesa Manabra was saying tea. Mubua Manuma, what did you want Papa Matam Nafi or Mabra Pasa? You help your children to curse their father. No more brabo, na ye basa. And to Ubana wire lesbian, sister, check it to a brabo muntunto, neha didn't tear. Ubabemana why again, now why addicted to drugs? Our Chesekaya no kumkofu, or Chichia no the Namukumuna, why a crom for Sabre at the age of 17 with them. Busawu Papa 4 days out. Now Adiaba couldn't say, oh, movie at your radiswatria until value not coffin. So, what would you radiate pa or when you come on, sir? So what you say? Obi to me trust na me papa nhwame na me papa dio akola to me tena buchi ka say my father is a douchebag. Ya mo hwe sam kola na abrabo. My father he's a douchebag. Ya mo hwe mo sam mo fra mo life start say this city. What to me be one no you open your big mouth and say your father is a douchebag. You are done. Your life will be miserable. Seriously. You can go to school and make PhD. Go get all the degrees that you want. Life will never be good for you because you curse your father. miserable for the rest of your life because God respects leadership. So if I was you and my mother keep pushing me to insult my father, I will run. As a matter of fact, I will have a meeting with my mom. I will ask her a question. Mom, do you really love me? If you really love me, you won't tell me to curse my father because of what happened between you two. You know the consequences that will come to me, right? You know how effective it will be in my life, right? Then if you know that, then why are you trying to push me to bring curse to my life? Why? Ask your mother that. If she pushed you to insult your father or to disrespect him in any form of way. I'm telling you, most of the children here in Europe, America, all over the world, their lives is miserable. Check their lives and see where do they put their fathers? Where did they put their fathers? Tell me. What kind of relationship do they have with their fathers? So how can life be good for you? Your father is the head of the family and you cut the head off. Where are you going to have eyes to walk? If danger is coming, you won't see it because you cut the head off. Where are you going to have a brain to think? Because the head that have the brain, you take it off. Where is your life going to be without your head? I'm asking you a question. Especially you boys and girls in Europe here. You were born here and you have the guts to call your father a douchebag. You are kidding, right? Are you out of your mind? You call your father douchebag. Ha! No, you shall say, I know what you want me. No, what you want, and me was a situ. No wonder that a lot of people are joining Illuminati and occults and all that. Because they disrespect their fathers, so they were cursed already. So there is nothing they will do in life that it will help them. They have to sell their soul to the devil before they can make it in life. If you don't know today, I'm just opening your eyes. If you don't know, if my mother tell me that my father didn't take care of me, so I should care, I will run away. I will say that one is none of my business, ma'am. It's between you and my father, not me. Don't add me into this. I'm out. Tell her that with respect. Because when your mother curses you today, she can use one month to curse you. Your father will use 5 minutes to take the curse out because he is the head. Okay? So every child who disrespects their fathers, their life is miserable. They cannot make it. They will try everything, it won't work for them. At the end of the day, they have to join occult or Illuminati. They will have to sell their souls to the devil. And then their lives will be too short. You see, 20 years, he's gone too soon. 28 years, gone too soon. Ask those people, where are their fathers? Mami fubi braya mano etu echia omuye omudi urikasem is ye ni akoso sadia. Ye yo ene yakoso sadia no ama ye man life. Ye di yaudia e mema no di omudi ye no ehu yaudie ene ye di ye hye ye man no di muso omoso ndome wono magya. And it is a cobasa, a colana than me. Enti mamena waji a colana bosono. A colano who ye and coye mount. Uba bressa at the end of the day will be cool. So what you say? At the end of the day will be cool, especially a butcher. Because of benefit a munyanti. What to remember good to say, Womo ya tantadi bi. No more Jim Colana Batamu because of the money that he gets. Into what's an arsenal did me who did papa not them on Colana can be chilled. Tacolani being a no, I was sending papa douchebag. Ne papa is such a fool because of you, your money. See, can't be obedi, that's obedi. A Colana many mayor promo. At the end of the day, one for one could just take a one and the Becassa. Because of baby was said, ye be a no shiran on one man to me on to one cast away no me. So what you say? Ha, your mammy no be brave, sadly, we don't know. Papa, no one, Papa, no one, young queen, a fin was shut the body kutupa. Your papa say, your papa say, your papa say, obey to me and I did the papa court. And they are on me. Who dear ground? Who best have the bossy yema? Missy Quayam Chanda Sutia Sia Quarterman China. Papa, what next said is in Nanti or bar Nanti say Nanti. Said is in Nanti Kura Papa no natural. Mema Mina 93 years, I hope Papa side straight. Tia Diana no said in Nipasi Casa a Papa natural. Obia be fan the backway man they come and the minimum tea. Musa be so woman besses our mother woman and where are they? My father was very difficult, but I stay with him. So what you say? If you don't say, oh, Papa, it's difficult to do about the pig and the banana and listen. All my father's difficulties, I stay and take care of him. Me ba broche me busu ni bia ni ana obefami abusuafo no mo ado ko huni me. So what you say? So me ana me ti papa ni nchen na nka amanfo fi sei na kola no obefa no nko e na sei na wo mo gigi wo mo be tutu ye no wo twa wani a where are they? So what you say? Papa no masam to me wo mo nti wo ba ni mesia wo bebre. One show one you know, and you will know Yamintamasam. It's none of your business. And you will know Yamintam because of the bunny betchinaso. Only Papa bunny a betchinaso. Bonny a wire, a sound bunny in the betchinaso. On your may will be a city, or cry away bonino, wouldn't be woo. Ntinya wo I will talk, no what's summer. By a fact, near the higher man life. You move a brilliant. Oh, Babasia, what you mean you couldn't no go on the papa come. Ah, there, never Mr. Papa Nigan. Near you, Papa, this in Chenia Kofana Wafa, set our champion, whom are when you mean. Was this will be Boguna Babawa, no open or Uncle Cherry Tiradie, and manager on Casanena. So what I say, Papa didn't fear me, Papa didn't blue your shasuri. So what I say, do go treat the Tiradie the mapping kia, why a loss. Oko no be fanwa, Command to Neko, because on your year, when I mean into and Yawari. Ye Papa the same jail, yes, some men and no offer, who of our Bessie say. Papa to me on. Papa to me no wouldn't on. Tia mano casatra papa rough. Obiena no my father is such a douchebag. Na mama na ye homogen ni niaje. Pa ofafu no one ne papa kasa. What me? What you want fear? What the fuck? Why na wo shed wo fear wo di na mama ne teche ni niaje. Sister, no me na wo hwehwe ma wo bayi be ye wo di ne abeku. Papa for ekuta to me na wo mu bebre je wade wo enu ti ne ma ye hu no e mema nye small sawo ko nka se e bre de be ko wi ye ma be dan me mama e mema wo se yi wo mu firi bebi o wo se wo mu be ya katanchi so what you say wo se wo mu be ya katanchi ti so wo pese wo mana bra bo ye kama ma wo mu fi buo ni ni die se fata ma wo mu se one shawanya dia is your own business. One in the kushia and Amaka and Uncle Yama, the one. When the Shisha will walk. Na Uncle Yama, and only your own in Tamasam, Unyami Babam. Bankolana dear. She ain't one moment so you tell Papa, Mumbaya no me. Umbaya no me complete. So only one neck may catch her. I'm me papa nshira na dem tia. Omo mutukodi omo mami echi no ankoye. Me kai pa amrebi nyenya nkyere ebi ka odan ebi ka me nan me nan ya hono setie. Me sumi ko na me ya ba ya wo fie hono me wo se me bibi mam papa. Me so bucket 34 na me say kuta poma. Me konsu abra me papa me comment me hwe me papa ma ni konsu. Me na ya hono papa de adura fa me nan so and I no kren kompa bo me san so bucket 34 poma kuta me say na me di konsu ama me papa because me ntimi hwe me papa ma ni konsu. Me papa will be brain so kola no bi aba ma me fa me ko. So what is and then me come here ti mo mano mo se Mama kodi mo grona nko ya mama na mo de mo mana from nkola na ye no me no. Let the children go to their father. Let them go. Wo me na me ti wo sa no wo be ka se ya wo me na silver platter na ayi me ti wo yi. Me papa no wo ye nwan be bre mponche nkokọ. Ade a me papa anye bi double Krokoko enkoko enwan metiwe me konkofo fi kosesa bodo ho na me dia bre nwan me nso se wo mani mo me nse obi a maso bodo ho pe me koso bodo ho de bre nwan me hye nwan no me papa ni ho a me ko twadua ne bre nwan no mo mowe me o oba be sia madane be ma so then the man penny for where are they? Ti papa na mi na no kura mi gunyame hemesa o sia kolai. So what you say? School ma break ni eti ben school. School ni ma break e wo se bitu bi ka me papa di fufu mprensa ndako. Nso na papa wo yere. Mi tu bi ka di bi dia wo kan. E ma me papa na me sa adwane ko school. So what you say? Me kusku na me shada mesa. Nso ma hu brase ni se bibisi TNT. Guess SP ni ekukuru de ato me so se be. Na omo ahemfo nyina matete. Primary school guess SP de aba me bem. Ti guess SP me ba me na me command no wapra no ayi bibia. Me ti fie so a me yadawa. Me do school mo me ye guess SP. Ne fe. Me ne me ball of na me so akoma nyina me say guess SP upo me commando. So what you say? Sanity. Who ko ti papa yishira wo bre wasase so. Wo bre o life nko yim. Ti ma me fo na maso mo mamu sam na mo no me pese me busa kohye. Mpese nya me bua mo kunu kumfa. Mo ni kan first sperm so no ni atopa wo bu ye no. Mo mani nchiaka. Omu wia wakati nyame se omu wa onkumfo. Kamicha. Me se bire bi wo man bi de na yi. Adwene ne niema ebe si ye fie. Wasoma wo bi so o mefa. Omu peda so na kenten kese. Omu mu ko yeji kwan so ibi. Ena enam no ba ku free top form. Sa adwene Mimi di kuchumi kontom de maye e de sayo apisi. Sabi papa evu sa ade ni fito e mafa. Wan kasao me ye de me nyina wie no friend. No se kwa no fa de mam. No twe bet. Me niwe ke yabo, me niwe. Me ye di pakoko nti mark da ho ka hu. Wo de bet no wam from Metiko. Was sami birikapa. Me papa so no ye fit. Who say, huh? Who go for? Hey, one the child, oh, bidding crack on mammy, say, hey, one me fall over no, who papa no be cool. si wono yade one trial what tia wo be su keke su na be su keke wo de opi oba pa bra be family because me no me papa poma wo be family na ka wan teacher ni ba de kodi sa konkonsa ne kira me ma me no say eh me wo be wo konsu nani aha adaya wo say ade fi to no ko fa na ne papa abro e de bet one from netiko say no papa ne titi mi o say no wo ye mi yi so what you say say no wo ye mi yi enu mo de o mo ni mo nya o de nti mi ti o be ma fufu be say na nam da so me di me ni mo nya me de sa wo so oba ne nu mo de na nkwase fo fa ne free wo kire wo de na me so wa wonya 100 years 100 and over o mo ma me nya 110 me ma me nua no bi ko na wo mo fi se ne we fi ade no so wo nua no wo America wo nua no wo America o papa akole bra bre no mo se se wa kaya sem me su na me hwe me papa enne me na mte enne wa hwe wo hia me wa hwe wo ka se bi kra half class bi na wo me mewa e kwanya mte ne tete wo ye kokko oni ni nua ma wo hia wo ma kokko so what you say mi ko twa diane bere nwan no mawe mi hwe nwan wo be hu ma fe nkoko na mi predam bi nkoko na mi ye omu duo mu ye me nko a so mangu me na me da soto nti sa wo ti akola ne firi ne papa ho a nhira no ebi nka no ma ne bi aka wo ti we Father's Day ebi no be kese wo moja de yin hwe Bible no mi hwe so obi kese meja de esi Bible no mi enko Exodus 21:17. Exodus 21:17. Exodus 21:17. Your Bible in your call. Exodus 21:17. Was it whoever cursed his father or mother must be put to death? You hear? You are doing na anane jana kum na yinku no. Tika wo sisi wo papa nkwase a wo keni kwanse ka wo didie. Na wo yeti ase wo wu dada na anam ho. Akase ye beto adaka de watum. You are dead already. Oh my goodness. Your Bible is called Leviticus 29. Leviticus 29. Your Bible is called. Also will say, whoever curses his father or mother must put to death. He has cursed his father or mother and deserve to die. Namchara. Tikuni di yunku physical about dada. Because you have already cursed your father. You curse your mother also. To away at yes, you woo. I curse you do better. I'm the yeah. Me tree no cry. 20 verse 9. Me tree in the whole kind bed. Exodus 20, Leviticus 20 verse 9. Leviticus 20 verse 9. Read from Leviticus 20 verse 9. No. Go. Oh, now then, tree. Leviticus 20 verse 9. But see, whoever curses father or mother must put to death. He has cursed his father or mother and deserve to die. If you country, but tree mentioned that name. In Proverbs 20:20. Proverbs 20:20. Or see, the lamp of the person who curses his father and mother will be snuffed out in totally darkness. Okanye bedum. Okanye. So what do me waja? Okanye ebedum. Okanye enshrain da ebedum. Or see, the lamp of the person who curses his father and mother will be snuffed out in a totally darkness. What do me waja? One. Okanya ebedum. Yemu bebre ye kanye dundum ye nam sumu ti sumu niema na ye de ni nyina ne se ya dum ye janum ne ye na ti ye kanye dundum na ejade no kodi ye dangerous to tell me bia ti kanye ne nya de ebedum niema nkoyi ma Abrabonu be bo akaskala because wo da no min ya dome ona anam bibia wo be so mie nye nya baifo wo papa dome a wo dome wo papa eno wo ska wo se wo ti wo be so fa ko bin so be wo because wo dike wo dada wo se kum ni nko nti bia physically wo hu se kum ba wo gina ho no wo wu dada na anam. We have to be very wise. You nyame kan yensesa no onyankopon woni ho a Yesu Kristo na ho Yesu Kristo ni ho a berema na ho berema ni ho a ansa na wo ba wo se ne ba wo se ne ba nti se berema ni yitire a na wo twetire a wo badwene yedi adwene na we wo adwene na toache nyansa no ukofa na he etire ye ndedi nyansa bebe watwa eni ya wo de behuna de ye nti wo nkuhye sumui eni watwa tre afi wani nya dwuma nti wada ne kuntunsini na ade nam nti wo keka te se ni frani enti bebi eni kwase nipa de ni tiku wura no ti de kwa kuwura wo beto wo kra ma bonsa wanyo ne illuminati ni sakawa onya sika wo muso de mawa ne etwa de ye satoso wo be wu free ube wukwa ntina meso wasi kum ni yemku na kire se wo wudada so ati ase e kire se wo wudada yenumi yeja na nkambesi ya dumi yena America from kola ni Europe from kola wona na school mu ketekete o mu ni Papa no crab a school, a papa na check or draw or track man walk a cafe ne papa. Obi on no driving and then I could no. Nti akola no be high school no na life fire miserable or name go ye. Akata fu nkwasi asimo mu dia ano no. Nti at the age of 18 no them. Nti most no bo so ye drugs. No was say enkwala maya you be hia no be 16 no a wo be miensa. Ni yin sentubu ti ye be abortion clinic na wo blacks neighborhood drugs you get the day inside door to smoke ye call him by ye uhia na wa super ni nyina ne say they papa ti asaso no wo fa oba they don't have respect ebu ni bo woni me pa cha wo ka on fa ne se ho so what you say on fa ne se ne papa asuma fadi we mama wose ade wudi 9 wudi 9 ade be sori akofa nsam fu sei ne fifiri wo manumba ya de boy yesu Africa mu a baby a man before man kola disrespect to omo papa ni say won papa ni relationship na nko yi nti se sadia wo timu ni money up against the father wonim say wo man kola yewu wo ku wo na nim enti so mo kwa no mo bo ba yi nya bibia wo ntu anadwo na emum de waye wo mu nti wo ma ye no me nti mo bo ba yi so what you say nan kamen so me wu ye nka pese wo ye kese akoye medufoche sa papa yi shira nkola enu mu ye yi akebi beka so what you say kebi beka so nti papa fon enye mo na mu bejeje wo mu enye mo awiri tokuta wonyankopon fansha wonsam na wankasa ate wo no wonu wonyame ntamonye wonu wonyame ntamonye nti ye kuno no mbini ni wonyam sese ye di wo matama ma ye manasua so ati ase dodo no so de awurade wo to mani wonyam abɔ fu po bi esuro no nenu masama suro na suro papa no so ati ase suro papa no na wo ma me wo pa ne to ase wo kontana so wo papa de 2 minutes 1 second de be you no me na film so sa na nyame aye no tu po bi esuro na no wo po bi de nchira fi na no a eye wo papa na wa nhwe wo no eye enye wo no wasam wo fiti nkola bi mbesi ne ho na ma omreke ma no me onyame ne hwe nipa ni nipa na be nipa ebi kura katase wo papa ye ni no ni bi ntia ntia wo so wo ye gagai oni bi wo chima wo be kan ne kosam so kira wo ma me besere no nti wo ye gagai ma shada me hwe no nso nye sa na ti ni no ni bi so what you say na manfo afa ho ti Mother's Day buy o ma cherish wo ma me no fine by the maso na ewo e ma ye ho say ye de adade no eso wo du su kuta sika na de akoto bank papa na ewo e ma wo mema sisi enti na sa ba kasa na yira wo ntini wo fu ana me ho yira me no so what you say ti mema nya komo sa o amoto wo modije mu no ye ma de say ye no de mama mu meya intu za brofo no be o level ye mai timi no ni nyina ne se ekwan a wo no manfa so kasa kire papa na ofie ho na nya ntu so mu school na wo ne abrofo no school na afi abrofo no level ye mai timi duro so afi de so what you say because so inshira no free papa na no emma wo so akola bitimi ya de wo mie wa no so na wo shira no wakomu utimi shira no wakomu sa otumi yade na agye wonsam na wo hira no wakoma mu saa nso no otumi yade na agye wonsam na wo dome no wakoma nti ebede na brabo na yeyi die kumi kula ne se wo baba ware o wo se me papa anhwe bi nti on deserve se wo ba ware na se obi ano oche be ma na tena se me papa anhwe mi nti na be ma no so ate ase nam so no so nkenka kyerosam na ndi sa ba ye de bokoko se chi ye de bebo ba sede no mami adara te no so wonye ne saa na bra wo de be ye wo be ye mombo se nti me ne wa kamiti enna no me ne me baba ku di nkomo na me ka se mo se o ma eye bibi se nti o na me twe me ho firi nipa so me se o cause se yi bibi me ti story na ne ma m ko ye no cause se nipa no wan respect ni mami a eni kwa se me so me gigi mani ma na me se mo wa ya de so what you see nso wo de wo kwa aware enum no sister no mu ni papa on fa ne nye toilet roll no wate ase no wa wane ka o so dwane na wo se okoto ho anoma de maami di ye ne be wo de bi be ye wo de o mo de ye papa no the same kojo line na so no mo nam enti be wise nti wo ye obi kra ka wo be make peace watch wo ba na trust because wo do so pesa wo wan no aka se kuya sa system we meet me no nkomo I cannot marry you without your father. Where is the father? You question any father. Papa no me papa de wati e bi kwati mi chantro. Papa no kwa yini baby o na nse kra obi me ka se wo wu se de yini wo boa. Wanted that. How we allergic kra me so me mo mafro. they will come to you. Now they'll say, "Ni konkre monti mempene," and the Yesu kurati ase. No, say also ninti. Now we'll try to destroy things and not the able to take action. But it's a papa na say, what did you know? So one shaminti akola to nka obano ohwe ne papa say nka na sum one because we be nyina be obayi de wode ye papa ne bedome na me bia kan nti wonyini so a omo papa fo bayi da de bia bayi no koma ma nti me ne wa ka me ya ade am papa ne bi hira ne ma ne ya me bom bayi so what you say ne ya me bom bayi so enkoyo ye say man no but we don't know, we don't see it, we the ones do that. Me brother bakusa otie ne pe mami woni ne mami yesi otie ne mami na papa yesi afa wo fa bu mami papa wu ntam kura wu se frɛ wu ntam ningo su Chinese ntentem one chance asiso ye fa papa ni agro hwe ye fa papa ni agro brother sister a utia buchira wo so papa ye douchebag. My father he's such a fool. Wo de wo akosi wo papa jimi fo no a wono no wo ba wo nhwe ne ba to see one why you know what dream. No, afraid. Who is this? Yeah, it's me, your dad. Oh, hang your phone. What the fuck is that? You left us in this house and now you're calling us the same thing. I can't afford or you don't know how to go football. Yeah. No, I always say my mom, or you need papa free. I'm fine, papa. I don't papa. You know. No way papa na film to one na musa obi okwa ye drafting no last year drafting boy bi afen ka afen wa bobby bia kama ya drafting the kama ya member ni millions anyumira na watuka omuko Paris ya draft no obi ma tu to 10 ye kunu so what you say send the papa a douchebag ntino sika na beba no so nya de abedi so what you say. Oh, my mess papa, you douchebag. Until one night, one of say, I draft to who be making millions. He can only me. Boy, see me what to be making millions. At the end of the day, no be a kunokwa. At the end of the day, in life, I say, man, if we no money, I take no more because I young boys and then the baby is back. At the end of the day, none of life, yes, say. At the end of the day, no, I be being a channel to then see can be few see in an abandoned that. If you really want blessings for your children, let them listen to don't try it. Yeah. And some man is so papa and you no papa near some never phone from man. So I'm for papa phone mama. When you are for papa near banner phone mama, who should show papa? Look for your father and talk to him. And now papa de uni kushi so who me papa na wasa me nini ni asem. Now papa ku papa wa hwe wo me papa him. E ku ofro papa me do me no who fro papa na nsaka na ka chenza o ma me adome wo 1 minute be yi me na to watch. Ono no de na powerful to o ma me de. So what you say? Mosusu ne wo machi o na no me egu ni paso nyina no ne father by free wo wo koto wo pana wo ke ma wo anye successful fa ye ma ne fra wo o ke kana dim so wonye o ye be ma wo hwe ba na wa hunu wa hu so ye kohwini wa hunu na ne what to wo se awo agumudi a wo afa na wo be la chachire nkwala mo nya ode ade no mo nya wo. Call your father, papa nyechi, I will talk to Nyame. One woman na wasem, who didn't yasem. Obe to me yarida ho obewu. Was a papa dear. Woman is you cool about Kokran, me some my best ma me who edis. Yako boo in prayer. It's so. Once a one to me for Boniancha would double mukra, who throw me to one for. Some moments since you grew a more sin one home. What's all the womb pass woo? Bonia woo, Timunosa, who crowns was a Yama. Timumani baby, a coon that was a coon you do to manager, a coon you kuno, Timumani baby, a coon on them. Instead of one of John Illuminati, see a shut up man and one checked him no, most of them yet as you walk. Yes, so, and you be money. Ah, my soul, and I'm a good city. Me come each other. Me come each other. Me nada. Man, for me, sick when I'm changing your group. Mrs. Tabakwa, me did she would give me papa one group, and ne one cowardy Buddhists. I was a baby back a sea of tone, son and your man, and Koyaman. Oh, maybe a wakoton the Karadia question. Physical blessing, only because some papa manisto on February manesse. Nti se obenya baby wura kronkron no no abeye bibi without anything never kosoma no just okoye nyame orangi kio nyeta nyi eno sukura tam da so wan sakra oku so what you say nti yenye papa basa basa o yenye senu basa basa mama ne ko play the cast okoye ne yi anko meka no ho asam nkyira wo na wo ko play cast na papa ne frefre wo kioso chi na ndi nkomo wo ma me kura fra wo ka cha wo si kura fi afọ mema wo mpadwuma wantie atopamu nti na akọ na akọ wo ma na mpa so papa ne mpadwuma nti nya ne obitima na opa nti ka ne mienu na wasam because wo ne koke kan ne fa anamboa na afa wo meya wo do ma be fra yiso e ha o meya wo do ma be fra yiso wo monye dai na mpapa ja me ho na okofa wo ba foforo so what e yo ne na sam mamu simu papa oda ebinu mo yesi dan mamu ne papa da bonten wasi manshi papa ne da bonten ni nyanza maame ne se papa no anhwe won uja won hokofa oba foforo nti mu anhwe papa nti papa ne nam ne chele to kure tu ho na ne maame na ye homodwe no da flat so what you say nti bra ne yo at the end of the day you will see. Would you say what disrespect papa? Would you money they come? They will kill you. Say the Jebia Uba or person the Baba Cassia saying no. Son of Bonnie or the no. Would your mother be obey a Cassia saying? Who shall marry your bonnie or mum would do at them? Would you mammy at them or mabu? So what you say? Who boo mammy or makum? A great upgrade, a custom. Who shall papa your bonnia or madi what them? No, do papa tema or mabu. No, boo papa or maku. Sanity. Sanity, so we know, and then me be watcher. And a Father's Day, and almost a Father's Day, and maybe the no bits in radio, so maybe papa and Ntimini Father's Day dear no I don't know and you mammy and your mammy na tone pa me busa kosa who mammy wo I don't know if di fufu come and come person one yin man wo what me put fufu na fu e kapu nso produce ba I just a bema bem so what you say Tia munya said you must see come kasa especially university for no obenya radio bi so tena o kasa o kan koye o be transfer TV so en koye ye mo keka no mo ma ne be kan de chance so what you say mo ma no wo be kan de chance se mo ni mu a was it your dominant no ikumi nkuno it is say the physical obi a chuchu meku ba wan kasa wo yeti ase wo wo na nam ti mame foi se mo penshira ma mo manu a mo ne papa fo na wasam o ton mo mane ne oni asam ma kola ne kwan mo mfra ne se na woni kwatena so de wo na wo Yesu na wode bone che wo so fa obi de eche no ne ho na wo kwatena na wo da wo ba ne se mo mfre ne se mebo wo block wo ba ni shira wo ni mo wo ba ni shira na wo block no obi anka ntere ho wo ba no wo block ni shira ne sa nko Yesu wo ba be bo be ye te ya de beba enye ize san ye je dia grow obi kura bonu ohini ba ne die ne papa ti asi o wante wo papa ti asi aye ohini ba wanka so ohini ba ne die ne ma ti asi so ohini ba ne die ne papa ti asi so mo de bonyo Yesu kura fra wo nipa ma so ban and disrespecting wo mu bebre no ma hu awurade wo no ma je nyame mu ko mo nye komo sawo na da ye mu hwe tirimfo be ma ni kunu no frɛ na wo be koto wo nanim se flat na be ma je Yesu wa na nani di ayira itirimfo ye na wo sake ye sa Kristofo ye wo frɛ me na wo se na odu ho no ma ne koto je bra efom wo hye be ma wo hye no kra no wakoto so mo hwe mo nam wo mo so se ya ne nam wo mo so se ya di wo matam sesem kwase se ya nkola ne nim otimi se no kwase sa na tintes ne nam nti bede na wo ba ne frɛ ne papa douchebag wo ko school me baba be fa my late me be fa me drive wo betena ka de mo me wo se na aye me because I'm butchering and tiamba monza mo mana say papa ne ko ina kukudu atie me ba no ma no say ayi ade Bible so Jimmy sem baka abofra akoma ntia ba be yi entia ba yi firi ho me mai bi fo mo ncha wo obi ansoso na agene kura nkreke ne so obefre police da ebi e ma na agene mu mpo ni nyina ne sem de chiro sem na chiro wo made nti won try try that e wo no kra no pa chaw ma me nye bio me pa chaw on sori wo so mo so mo de kan de hye wo mu papa wo so wo tia ne ba no se yi obefre police ni nyina nsa wo de hye na dwen fu ne da ho pa nso na wa ntumi mia wo de ho pa mia na ma wa dwen mu mpo na nkampese wo frɛ ti mi discipline wo mo to se ni discipline kola wo fie Gan. So what you say? What do you want for a group of you? So what you say? What do you want for a summer? Me we am more the from flat. Now when you able to flat. Who do papi that dinner? And so me may wo watching. So what you say? Ya yi wo mu ya bruchi no maso ma pro. Nkola na pro. Wo ma pro una ho kora ni wu. Wo ba be sie ti asaso ne papa nya ho ni nika ebo na ha. Na ha mu nyire guo papa na feri se poto nso ko kan. Ai woni ne ma be beto na wu fi o. O ko kan pa woni ne ma me beto na wi na we so dai na de wo to won shata de ade na wo to shi nipa so sa no wo mo ka nti mo ma no ma pro mo pro so what you say obi kusku de sa obi ko bo so ayi jodi nkoye obi wi otu se ka obi o se ko nya ba ma bi o obi ko fa bagabon no de na ba fie yi wa no ba bi eni bon se be me wo gina ho to mu se nkoye ti papa nte wana no wura ho so be ma utuntu atete oba na hwe be ma bi wakofa no de na be fie ho mobo ti papa no so si odi no ha mo e kusa nyina wo ni tirim ne mpa ebo nyina ne sa kwa yi papa na so na no nchia na omra si what you say because when ni kan fa ni dia ma papa na ma ne mfa ne 90 for ma musa say boy wo free and ne wo bi nim na ne baba de ne boyfriend befia papa ne ntimi kura mi na no nkasa ekuya na boy wo free he ne ma me be che na wi say mu kasa mu do mu ma no mu se wo mu se wo ma brabo nti at the end of the day obechi brabo na bibi obisum ye nyi nti de se okonjoni illuminati sakawa ana bibi wotumenya quick money eno so tam da so yekuku tam da so yekuku timu kantre mu manu se di odumi ne jano ikum na yenkuno this time yenkum physical but spiritually no you are dead. Ejenu masamedi ejedi echire o ye korense ni kura mfani mi agrosa okay and try ne boni wo dido eno no betwe na so ene di nyame ne bedi sa adwuma ne boss wo ho oni Jesus oni ne beye na adwuma wo di e won sam fata so wo ye adwuma na ma Christ na wo so kuna se wo kuna no won sha Christ asimpo kuna se na ahye na wo be ye 1 2 3 ono na djuma bu be ya ma no fom ha unsura dia emema so nyame e punish wo ma e severe nti so wo so nyame e de orio ne bia bakuruma o kanto mema bone no de sei kuro e makra de mo danchen o kanto mema bone sei no shiki grounds nti nye komo sa onyame se odi asotwe ba be ma so ya na nye komo nti nye wo na wo be ya ma awurade so what you say nye wo adwuma no e mai minim sa asemi mu mpe so meka ya man kan kire wa minwie na se meka so no wa mfa ma wie madwuma o manu da chinti na me ne wo kasa se o manu nti na me kasa se be wise nti wo kope kuna hwe wo bia obetuma heba na dwene wo fu enhwe na to panko ani ni nachi na chena bi wan hwe wa be tsisa wo maka ho mama na ye no me don't do it enhwe de tintin gram ni macho wo betuma to pa enhwe no nko a mesrew check inside or your long term check it mu be bira to panko a o ya obitimi dwa ne shirt American number be ma timi dwa ne shirt keke no buy em homodwe e dey na house am shirt keke ne fum wo yi ne fu na wo dwa ne shirt keke o sister yi wo so wo mo frame bi 6 packs just wo pipes wo macho we no de ewu ama na ewu ma no na akona ne kokowo na wono no wotewe wono no ye ne macho se no wono no de namo what you say wono ye fita duku no abo no nam ti se se ni pe ya ntena se so be ho ba ma wa na ubufu ya na wakosesa o mana ka ho so mo so ntia mo se na no memra mo wo ko ya o shale se na wa hu ade adam na shekiki ya na me kura me shekiki bi hu ade anana woni efra mo ko ya musala shimbi na nkoyi amamo no mo so sa mo ma de afra tama no no ujina wo bon komo no de no yi good pa me bo nti ne de de free so beti bayira ho memo ama abayira mo akese wenya ntokwa na nko sesa wo maka ho nkola yi sai be wise. Who didn't be beautiful? Miss Quanyam check and obi be fa ne ba e de ne ko o de ode ne concline de ode ne ko hin de ode ne ko hin o bi bia wo hia wo muski ko at mu say yes you be see kurasini mo broni no nyame se o de mu nyina nko o de we kurasini we sit here take care of your father until everything is fine. I mean baby I'm do be jina me do be sa o mu firi nkran eje me do be sa o mu firi nkran o me do be o mu airport pass you be tu eja. You don't play with your father. You don't disrespect your father. Even if somebody give you money to do it, don't try it. Because you're causing yourself curse that is going to follow you and your children. A better will be a bema cry a domina on the canary. So shall as you. Tiukuni ya dome wa ya dome ne kan sister. Wo ne ya dome wa nkan ku because wono mo yitire. Bas ya dome ku ne kan. Wa na woni obi aka je. So wo kunu ya no me amhya na so wo kan sister. Si ya dome ku na ntuno ku ti wono wa ya me papa ne kwasase wo di no kasa kire no. Na no me na papa ne bese sa egu no so no wo sha ase ebi be kan. Ibi be come the ding. Ne mami adome no kati uku to ni man fama uku on fa kopacho wo yi ntuma ni bi fama because no me no wo so gu tiri so bi because wo she papa na se fama no ne sere wo pacho onko kasante papa ni ye na papa ni hira no maame ne kase wo kwa wo be dome no okwa wo mo papa na mane papa ne de 1 second be yi maame no me afiri ne ba no so. Come here. Kisa onu konote na wo disrespecting the papa and ne ya wo pese wo ye nchira kan because wo shana se nti no me no bi gu so enti mo amware ye wo kwa enko ware be ma ya dumi no be ma ne papa de na no ya dumi no ware bi da ware ye yeshira no ne bi akan ma bibira ko ware mema ya dome won nti abrabo ne nkoyie nese wo show bi ya dome na senti bede na koyie u chinchim makaskala nti ne di utiri ye ebi na papa no mu uti se de kwa na mcha wuyi ka no fra wo suku ka chira no se wo papa ne de papa ntem no eni ma nkoyie wo fra papa no na di wo so de ma papa no fa ma no papa ni chow na no mi odi egu ni so no onyi na wo sister kuya wo susu nya afa ahudi na ahye papa na se de no mi gu so wo ko ye ne ye hira ka be dibi nti enye ize sa wo ye dangerous idi agorosa misi abuchi fo nkole wo mo life obi timi fra bonti bakuru ha bidi no aye wo ne ha me nkoyi akata fo no kwa de mo budget awusi obo degree bia bi so nkoyi o tena di manmani yi na di nkoyi be wise mi se me mayi ni no mo kwa ware me cheke oba o papa dome don't come here so as you say we ye be man na be ware me ba ma me cheke o si adome wa emma me fia yes o si adome wa kopacho yes am ha so what you say because no me be come back be wise until the end say who kwa ware ya busti check ye wo investigation yi enfiti preocupe fa utiri nkoshemu amu wo ma choni wo mo so san mo mwande hen be wise yem feja no ni agro papa no yem fu mu wo mo nya komo sa wo mo nya komo what yes so no frɛ kwaku fichu what the fuck is that? How many times are you calling me? I'm sick and tired of you guys in this house. What the fuck? No be able to no kapro bang. O kapro no bom aka bonte o unza bewre mo. We dey ayi pepe di bi na see mansion come. Ena wafa ochimai. Papa no so sika. So what you say? I say bosumi aso we see tuadeka. Pepe di te wono ma nima e popra ye tuadeka. Mo si kwana no na dako di amanfo obefi. No say hey, obiara won shiga no obiara so won fita. Bosumi ni ye ntua meka obiara won shiga no obiara mfita. Mo am wo inside mo mpia wonte na mo so mo fira wonte ma mo mewuram. So what you say? Come back out. To come so bad disrespecting papa no you can na ko bona so mfiri nechi obodan. O papa no ne kasasa. Mom, stop! Let me talk. He's a douchebag. Can we pretend that say na continue to take control? Because who kwa ya no me na the be ya to me so. Ti me so me ntiase. So what you say? Me ma kwan. Who kono nya di be yi, who ko dwa buom enyiye. Yamma usika mpempem na dem be hye wo ya no enema nkoyi ma ti at the end of the day edifo atrofo yi bi hu aka ka kire say ye woni wo senya be ye da woni na ye wo nso ne nsem a woka gu papa so na no me aba so nti wo ye tiase wo wo na anam nti obi so wo so wo ye bibia say nye yi o nipa wo tumi diga nipa wo tumi ye business man ko so bibusa mafunu edie ne ko so mafunu efunu betima ye bibia mana koso na anya bia efunu kra wo betima pagya de mo ye bibi de enti physically ne de people see you so we deep but we efunu to ye bibia nkoso onya prom wo na anam you're dead. So I pity for you guys, American children and London and Germany and all over the world. I pity you guys. The way you speak to your father, you are deadbeats. You can never be successful by your own. If your father curses you, you will curse forever. If you don't know, let me tell you. Unless someone curses what on the so I can see better cotton petition bread. Now fetch on the cola, must mean Masma or me drumme, and the end yajuma. I can see better cotton we bread. Now fetch or no crowd in you, but I mean call now fetch or cola. Was oh, we have a secota one to be some drumme and no saying yajiba. Because of the boss, no, Jesus and 1 year too. So what I say? By Kwan Papa, so they don't play games. And try. Don't do it. I could see the same Yanko you be Wagadreg, Yanko Jibisika, you could wear the have a sing the Yanko. Naso Unqua, and not the order me and Yajuma. The boss on Yadi Obeja too, the boss of Sunni yes, which 1 year too. So what I say? But apart from that, don't play games. And I know Papa won't go. Every person who can have you as a kid. When you say, do that. The way that it didn't go only for your father and your mother. It goes for all over. Who be a mountain share jaff and need the man. Who share not for need the man. Don't curse that. Don't do it. Sister, your money bread in see a wolf memon. Nse my osana see a wolf and ya come colana shim see a petit you pursue team up near Sonitiam. Into who petit map Quabontico high mattress. You money free. Oh, man, you won't free. You man, not sure. Na be me ni me ya kra me tin and cut me tie so no baby into ba no got nothing to do with that. Mom can I call my dad Father's Day? Shut up! You call who? Shut up! Don't ever let me hear your mouth saying you want to call your father. Mom, I want to call my father. I'll say, okay, the phone number is over there, yeah. No, the phone, so no one papa didn't come. Let her be. Please. Manene papa ne kasawati. Na wo boni kakraka urade de acha. Ka friend na be friend na go see na te say na wo fie. Ah, ja wo be o si Father's Day wo chia. Na mo hu ye de boko. You akwa papa ola ne so. We should do most of home. Tia kuya cry, yeah, Dad, how are you? Oh, okay. I just called to say hi. All right, bye. To be crying because Mamma, I will not take 1 minute of boom. Oh, sister, what did you do? Dear Sin, yes, you, we are until what is your problem? One in a co agreement in the way in the bushes, until young Kukuna. Nti yensen no homa unya bone da ho ade na wo di awrade adwuma ya ma no wonya me se wontumi nya na adwuma ho wonya me se wo call retirement nti obi ye bone ye ntwi nipa na so wonya me se wo call retirement wontumi sheki mema na grounds wontumi nti ye nya na adwuma ma no me bo Jesus se woni ahode wa bra wo frata sisu no wo 33 years na wo ye brantia che these things. Some way, Jano, we are Jack now so I don't know about, and then go to you from the Pachawa, bra, Pacha, friend Mishira, you know me in friends. Why? So, no one we are no be only trade, no, they are called now for dinner. Also, Miss for Bonice, Bufua, Miss South Titia break, and the 3 1 Banabay. Miss also bufua titia break onyame di kam ye hu sebre ne bekwa wi ya awofo maso dey for beba wo kasa ma betie ti misro e bamu sa titia break eyinim wonim anye sa yesi fa mansa mo e bebiri yiku akola yinam a waye bogabon ihia na wo last name ne dana so wo last name wo de prempa e friend akoti prempe ono so dia kotinti prempenam pamuda nti wudi minti misraw titia break mpacha amfa wo ma me ho so bufu nkese mofra misraw ni dim ne fa echina ye Father's Day me ba dwatoa me o mo dwatoa me be pacho misra me nya no mema mpacho mo de mo sheki ground so ya na ye eweke nti me ba ya misra you man be so they don't know what I'm talking about. Nima we nyina wonim nti no mu di yaudie emma nya men kasanchira wo mu de yesa yaudie ti me srabu pamocho akakechi ntie ye what mu fan cheye pa nye sade na mu di echi ne ye meya you be wu flat so mu jigasa mu titia break so ma wanu kwan na yi to fom say wo mu case but what you say me kan yi na mi su fi le mi ase mi saw mi pacho mi saw so what can be egu ba no so ne konko to dwani ka kire we faction release it faction si misukura na obetia faction release no ko na urade so fa odie encho se mame no ho hina de adome nkola na nem so be pacho nkola ni innocent for money chopmate ne osoro ja so fa de encho what obi edim se de wo de ya wo ne nye umutimi hia obedwom ni edi watem umutimi hia obedwom ye chia obitimi chia no pass ne papa jump yeah. But please forgive and forget. Let me buy me that draw. So the patch. So move the chia, a man who yam too much. We know it. Too much. The obey young when because I come a coby. Obey come see, we are not going to let you know. Time I walk on no 1 minute. Mona mukuta brains, yes, some. Mudia no ye big chair, Mudia no ye correct, yet the end to be yes something which is there. Tis some we a bobo. Yes, I'm ranty about bosses, I'm a woman who bought on the correction. At the end of the day, we will also be in trouble. Until last name in that collapse into the patrol for the body check. Dear Yakrans Akolana Koje, dear Nico Cotton, everybody dinner bra. Would they say, Marfo, near friend, yes, I was in Marfo, so deep. Cotto can't call her, she obeyed tea. Yabodina, I could keep focusing one near the Marfo, not yet to home, say, Dinka. One TJ, who lies name to Timmy Sow, the patrol. Jim. Jim, eh, would one or do be do a butcher. So my men among Colonna saw me tip me so, Manica. Ube bien a no, because it's your papa, but no, so. Now, no, bossy pow, Nempai. Because you know they can say no me ba sister obey you. Me dey no kwani hear me we am yo. Me say me yakoko se kebe yindi. So what me to me makwa. Ma me bombe yi. Ni fa trust am to timofra. Ni kire wo the way a God respect leadership. Ni kire wo sa adwene eni ani nyansa ni nyina wotire nim. To twetire ne tochene we a dead meat. We a dead meat. When you have the overkick, brains in your benny because it's in a brains in the watch at watch. And in a witch, the fork lights and what church until Timisramakatechi, Akatechi. We love you guys. It will be on say, I'm away at the end she as uncle. You need a pa, a ceremony. So what you say to be a show off or to way permanent net as a mama. And so now who permanent net or be replaced with the machine or hotels will be a vacuum. Fee and the women never vacuum the man as I the machine they found. I feel the own same 7 previous and Willa Matali to the beer. Yana so second here can't see can't conquer. Machine, ewa bonte. Na fe ade na papa no te wona atete. Sa won pesa ade ne de ni hwe yi no won fa sika nkoto machine. Na no so wonya me besa te watu gem. Wonya me besa te watu gem se ya no wahye. Odu be yikiba. Mo ti bi di mema ya tama mo wi no masa koto machine. En na ye bebufu no. Emai oh, we are not a machine. Now, regular, natural one into mamma, toy never wow. Natural and to my you, toy never wow, maybe bizarre. Can you come one not to baby? Bribra massa mania, meeting baby. Mamma, chicken, near one. And you be ancho, where should you move on Mosairam? And not just a Mosako machine. Intinia, what is the point? Tinada the over Union in Chamo. Mucho more dear ye. Mususumu big muff. And Tinia, so would the Baku do two papa to actually. Now the Bakoto machine, the Indian for 1 year. And the more I'm deep, and I don't want to go deep. Sansubai. Yes, our man will say. Sansubai. So share. Now without them, I want to meet on the end of your knee. Be wise. So share. Now want to meet Bosumi Mian, I fit in Femians and Female, want to meet nothing. Want to meet nothing until further notice here. 1 week in ye. And Pono Nenkoto machine moon, I mean, and someone free to me both. Don't do it. And may I go for me, maybe, my pampa mukum. And I'm more yet at the toys shopping or more. Oh, bread food. Oh, yeah. Who's about the plug or down? Nasa Joe like me what? Until we are now by. Who will plug on what damn Najo like me? Do Koya not me Busakusa? The old marriage was a memory because only Bemati or be young for se bema no one na enya dia ubewu Dr. Bian Mintibida see se bema no one na ubewu eno de ni ho sa ti se wo hwe na wuti na na wo to ba bi din ba sa wo hwe na wo ntumi na je se wo sa koto machine de be fa ho de be wise because machine na wo de be fa ho no nyame mpe obekum won sa wo de wo ho no nyame wo mpe obekum nti be wise Isra Isra we need him. Me come some more. Me come some. Your money say. Ni baby the father by Sufriye. Father's Day. One show. When you make a crowd, you know, I also make us a now swam at Chanawati. No suman Korea Makora at the morning put down them. Usu man Korea ma at the morning young some no. Until Jim Manika. For Papa Bonicher. Man a coin woman henema. Man a coin one from Colano Winco. It's so. Mankolane kwano mo fa ni di ma wo moja ne wi ase apesa ye kese o ye me dufoche e mankolane me ye no me e janu bi su mesram so unim e ba hwa enwo so unim se di si hwe ba awo no enwo no nyame be twema so a man or no so dear bam, Obecock Buaconta. Get this. It is a old check here. No one casano. 1 pound to me, Roman and Campus Robby who be Miss Snow. Solitaire, fuffing from Wadian. Neda. By say, new 90 minutes now, can who say, and yes, he saw a baby Pimoba. There's a banner super 90 minutes. Be wise. So pa yes I would make the daddy ba or no crowd in yek in fair or no what in a bad chensi way daddy and a baby a bit more bow so say an hour tico who push it cricra on some people what the abandoned about one baby or the baby is safe so when you will be shama panya so what tico panya so baby be she bia wo fu mi ka se bia we didi am panya na nso nyina gu abonte to be wise na papa na ba no e ye dade bis the pouch and them kola no be bri gugu abonte o mo life aye basa and them rantie adanen satria Ibi no done Sakawa boys. Ibi ye drugs. Ibi ya done gay ni lesbians. Ibi no ye Illuminatis. Brother. Please. omo ye japade wo nyame de o man maye ya nhwe bibi yi antete wo mo yi Kristo mu we will be in trouble. So what you say papa no odem kola yi maye no ye yankasa kora yi mu no so ye may did jigapa no mu yi bibi na yes kukuru kes ne ya so ka unsa wo so fum waja wo so de kes be so nipa so ni nipa ye nipa bone ayi ni obi maneka na nipa ye onyame bone e ho na beka oya so bi onyame bone ano tro mitimi fa konyo nkosi konyo so ba nipa ni nipa ntam ye mitumi ni nipa na hia di nkomo ba nipa ni nipa ntam ye ni obi maneka wo no nipa eni onyame ntam ye wa de papa ni jiga wo so wa na e ko timisa about you. And like a crabby say, Happy Father's Day. When you may wish your memory now on your moccasin. O mamma or drop a coma. I'm on the domoma. Moirano, Moirayaka, Coninimu. Unu Kunayaka, Coninimu. A man of some pie before the do. They be our Father's Mother's Day. Or the way they would make a restaurant tobacco and there was I know also Panico restaurant. And I need Mother's Day cry breakfast in bed. And me could you when you be that na sister also to your breakfast in bed and tini. Also Panico breakfast. Panico dinner. Panico lunch. Also Panico be. Also didn't come here. Me buy a matter my twitcham flowers say chile I come dear bro never. Now did be a tick you don't give. And also Suban Ben. A man says Suban of a free. They be a tick, Nanka told you, mamma. A year they say so ask you. The attention me. And when the man in Pasadena on Mother's Day, a year they say US store now. So, we can include order, and then our pair of Father's Day, on can be that. One can be that. Only the any take. Two shall not be some a chain, making it a man you. Mother's Day, not a man. Sister, I was so dear now, could be chilly. Now, Mamma, call money easy, or else a crowd of fufu. The fufu be month. See a fish and then cool at Tiap. If you try to go on the fashion to come. So, what you say, nothing she is to whom we are, she am one chambers, and one know we, maybe yesterday we want to see physical, the best to a bad case. Mosuya was one chardy and a motion was a POP a ma. Musumon chardy. Card the cra, Brahman Dickey. Card, goes a mature and then. I didn't obey the Indian day, and I'm dear Brica. Or on another, I was a hammy, and he said, beside the mouth, near Matopo. A two name episode of card, there's only dear now about watching. Make mammy from my own kind of end. Card, there's a woman who do to Tisica or card, we are trust, we are not sentimental. Nisica say, Mammy Tran, I'm from my knee, and can't, and Ned, so what is it? A man be most of some Suban, most of Marshall's a POP check. And they say go buy a few on table no so ya to the come on and them Colani New and then the man. And then you are condahi or to papa pro come upon the baby. I'm an actor see the D. Fair. And what to the boss or to boss your body come or Obama Brabo pa de Bessica will be at me. I would to a wish it 100%, but men come maybe a wee good job. Said the old man, no, I did not cast what's nothing one la chapa pay 2 bones who see one of my ice water. So a boy, tea, or walk over better old Sujai, or what? O tea pa. So, what checking in going I herself, I'm not I know I'm not sending a message. Friend, the time I won't for time I office why busy. What jet a message to what's not a carry no be so better. You're party, Fenacasa, oh no, so better. My party, most will ISS wouldn't see no Sakumia Subu. No, to be TV, you won't be roof, you know. Ada na ate me message no say. O send me message. Ah okay. Eni am say me nya ncheke. Obo wo wa hwe. Ti mi sram me nye bibi manye fe wate. Sram a na mo ma Kristo som ntintimu ye bi kunu bebre mo pe Kristo asem. E di nti. Mo de mi busa koshi. Yesu wa yo. Ada na mo pe na sensa. Remember mo bebre mo pe papa na sen. Mo so wo ye on na yo boss. Wo ye boss, o twu ne betene ye pe wo ye boss. Mumra mu ho aseka na mo fa mo tinsha na se no nkyere mo ade. Wo do mu pa, wo fra mu nipa ma. Wo fra mu nsie, Bible mu obi wo ne ye kan mema. Wo tu mu se nipa smesi wo sai, ye bi bo ne ma ne di na ye mema. Wo ntem ma ne di. Wo bo nipa wo bo Adam first. Wo bo bakra wo yi ne fi wan hyedan tete anwe mfiri ba bi fufuru amayo. Wo yi ne fi ba ma mfi. Ne cheso mu ye precious. So mu be bring up Jesus. Enemy busa kusa ye bo ne wo de ayem sa. Kamu ye ne body. Misram munko back. Amu fa mutin ko hye nase. No wo ne pa bebre de mam. Mo ni bebe nyam. Eni di bi bum obi ntimi ntwam nka de openkyera mo nkosa so nse mo bebre mu ja na hunti ese mo ni mu enhye da ni hu biem obi abie na no na okeka bi kyerem ba mo ma me kwan na o de mo hye na se o kyerem mo nyema bebre ti me sro bra ntwa uti a woni Yesu Kristo ni ntwa na utwa na twene be de se obenya brains de ya de when they head in channel fruit in the so. Now, we try to say, boom, to me, your brains in Panyadi, and wow. To Miss Ramuni, Papa, and what? Now, yes, what dog, until you're born a senior. All free people and the Nanko who say, or say, it is finished. All back all be wood, he can't the Bama Cotrona Paradise. Cronford was saying, yes, no, no bar. Bema no di kan de ko tena paradise. O se ne wo be ka me ho paradise no ye bema. Iti mo na mo di kan wo ho. Ntimpo no nyesa wo enkoye. Misram fi ne kru mo Bible mo readi. Mo fa papa no, mo fa no. Mo kanche wo fa mo ntale ne kukum. Na bibia nkoso kama. Eno sa no bubongu ba so wo beti wase. O ya de na obi wa no se wo. Asam no chichire ne sa maman o ginu hu ba bi ani tumi di asam na chi ba so twa uti ne to twene a anu na de be kasa tumi di achire ne wai timi sram mama papa no so mra mo brabo no me make a difference na emwa wat I love you guys me pe mo sampa o me mo na mo so mo nya mema mo ya katachie we are katachi o nyi easy sa bema wo ye kitikiti kra o nyi easy mi senti to bia me nyame ama me mema efia na me yo ba o tumu se head wa ha tumani wa ha bema tumani wa ha me ko na me yo ba le fe ti esram e dom wate ibu mo nso eni me bu ho so a ye no ka nse yesu nyame ama e brains ni bi kakrati ye no kasa no fa na maka bomu mo de aka mo de no na apegya na e kama so na bibia koyie to bia wo so kunu pia wonte ambo se fie obi a de ope o de bie pon no wuro matum say yes be ma wuro fie ya wo se sunsun bia bo wuro fie o ya wo o de bie do no wuro mu se no body minimum kakra do tum say yes ti mama tutu mos wo a wo pesa wo tutu be ma se nware wo a wo ntumi fa respect ma be ma na nware tina ba bi ye nchi untu onyame nkasa de ntina se takuya wa nware se awrade adwuma wo sa aware no na dross nti I choose to not get married and one na onye choose so nkoto machine Mr. Opa enye se onyame be kum so what you say nkoto machine Nemo, Satan, some or any name. You be that and replace it Bema with such things. You who baby or 2 miles, Bema fan or and I people in the different common. No. Oh, share not tax and won't to me take care. Stay single. And the smooth yummy. Perfect. I have been a bar. Was waiting my Christo Isha. One yoke is.
Michelle do some. And I'm going to say, Saba be a nipper to nipper go. Wrong.
Yeah.
It was all you said.
The
war Christ, no. What the dancer say? Was it? Some people say,
you may now subscribe.